Hello my friends, today I'm not singing or playing guitar. Today I want to show you the surroundings of the city I live in, which is Constanza, and it is situated in East Europe on the Black Sea shore. We are riding south on my Kawasaki Vulcan 900, and right now we are on the Ajija Bridge, a suspension bridge built over the Danube-Black Sea Canal. Skipping some of the travel, we are now close to the place that I want to show you. You can already spot it on the left side. It is the Techirghiol Lake, and we will be going a little off-road. As my GoPro is mounted straight on my handlebars, the eye level will lean when I take a turn, so I hope you will not get motion sickness from watching this. I should have gone left here, but it seems like the road is blocked for some reason, so we'll go around it, no biggie. And we are back on the main road. Now we have arrived at the end of the paved road. As my Vulcan is not especially an off-road machine, the way will be a little more bumpy, but it looks like they are prepping the path for tarmac. The tower that you see in the distance is a 146-meter high TV communication tower built of reinforced concrete, and our ride will get us very close. The name of this lake comes from the Turkish Techirghiol, meaning Techirghiol Lake. The name also means in Turkish stripped lake. This is because of the salinity of the lake. When the wind blows, white salt stripes appear on the surface of the lake. The legend says that once upon a time, a crippled and blind old man named Tekir, riding on the back of his donkey, reached the shore of this lake by mistake. The old man tried to get out of that smelly mud for hours on end, but his stubborn donkey didn't want to move at all, as if a mysterious force was not letting him out of the lake. It was with great wonder and joy that the old man realized, when getting out of the lake, that his eyes could see light again, and that his legs, which had stopped working a long time ago, began to obey him. As for his wise donkey, its bad wounds on the back had healed, and his body was younger than ever. When they heard of this, many people rushed to the shore of the lake, bathing and putting mud all over their bodies to be cured. Techir and his donkey are featured in a statue located in the center of the town of Techirghiol. As I told you before, they are working on making a proper road here. And we have a slight problem, as it seems like this particular worker found no better way to load his truck but by parking his gigantic machine straight on the road. It looks like there's a fence in front of it, so I can't get around that also. I guess I'll take a break until he finishes and moves his truck. It's okay, since I could use a rest and a drink. And it looks like our boy finished his job and cleared the road. That means we can continue our journey. I think it's better that I shut up now and let you enjoy the dirt road near the lake. Looks like the off-road is over and we'll be getting back on the tarmac. I quite enjoy this narrow road. I think this is what they want to build on the other side of the lake where we started. Oh well, we have almost completed our ride around Techirghiol Lake. I hope you liked it. Maybe we'll do more in the future. Let me know in the comment section if you want more of these rides or more covers. What covers? Or why not both at the same time? Cheers! Like, subscribe and all of the stuff. And horns up. See ya.